Hello, this is Ralph from poketto-me, and today I want to show you a new feature that we're calling shareable links that allows you to share your saved content with other people. So suppose you have an article like this one, and you're saving it in poketto.me, as I'm doing here using the Poketto Chrome extension. The article will, of course, show up in your recent saves. And the new thing is that in the context menu, you have a new menu item called Share. Now, if you click that, you can generate a so-called shareable link in that dialog. And that's what such a link looks like. And that link will work for anybody who accesses it, regardless if they are a user of poketto.me or not. You can copy that to the clipboard from here. And here's what that will look like for people who access that link. So anybody who uses that link will be able to read the content of that article in the Poketto reading environment. That means they can enjoy all the features of the Poketto reader that you are already familiar with. They can, for example, change the font size, switch to the dark theme, and do all these nice things. And what's a very useful gimmick here is that if you have configured a translation language in Poketto, so for example, I have set English as my default language, but the original article that we saved was in German, then anybody who you share that link with also has the chance to switch to the English translation. So that's kind of useful if you want to share content with somebody who speaks a different language, for example. Of course, also at any time you can delete that link again. So if you go to the share settings, either from the context menu or from this little button that shows up for every piece of content that you have already shared, you can delete the link from here. And then when somebody accesses that link again, they will just get an error message. And the last little gimmick I want to show you is when you have a shareable link, you can immediately share that to social media from this share dialog here. So currently we're supporting Blue Sky, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. And for example, if you click the share on Blue Sky button, this will go to the Blue Sky app. It will create a draft for a new post, and it will add the shareable link in here, including a nice preview and including the title and the description of the article that you saved. So that's how shareable links work in Poketto. Have a lot of fun with that and see you next time.